So now in general, nth difference of a polynomial of nth degree, nth difference. So this is an important note. Nth difference of a polynomial of nth degree are constant, and all higher order differences are 0, and higher order differences are 0 means, so del power n f of x is equal to a into n minus 1, so on 1 into h power n, which is equal to a into n factorial into h power n. So now we see the operators. In addition to forward operator and backward operator, we have another operator which is called shift operator. What is this shift operator? It is indicated with E, capital E. So it is the operation of increasing the argument x by h. It increases x by h. So then what is that you have here? E of f of x. So increases by h. So this will be f of x plus h. Similarly, e square of f of x. So this will be f of x plus 2h. Similarly, we have inverse operator. It is indicated with capital E inverse. So it is defined as E inverse of f of x is equal to f of x minus h. E inverse of f of x is equal to f of x minus h. So in general, even we can use the notation E of yx is y of x plus h. This is another notation. And E inverse of f of x. So here instead of f of x, we can use y suffix x. Already we have written E inverse of f of x. Let us see E inverse of y suffix x. So what it will do, it will change it as y suffix x minus h. So in general, En of yx is equal to y of x plus nh. So next we have averaging operator. So averaging operator, it is indicated with mu, and it is defined as mu of yx is equal to 1 by 2 into average y of x plus half h plus y of x minus half h. Next, we have central difference operator. central difference operator. It is indicated with the delta, central difference operator. So it is nothing but delta of yx is equal to y of x plus half h minus y of x minus half h. So these are the operators. Already we have seen forward operator, backward operator. Next comes shift operator. Next in the shift operator we go for E inverse. Next averaging operator. Next central difference operator. Now we see the relations between the operators. Relations between the operators. Relation between the operators. So first one, forward operator is equal to E minus 1. Next, second one. So now if we want to prove this, let us see the second one also. Backward operator is equal to 1 minus e per minus 1. Let us see the proof for the first one here. If I apply forward operator, first one proof, delta operated on yx. So what is that we get here? So here we get y of x plus h minus y of x. Y of x plus h minus y of x. So this is same as, how can I write x plus h, y of x plus h? I can write it as e of yx minus yx. So if I take out y of yx as common, this is e minus 1. Therefore, what is that we get? Forward operator is equal to e minus 1. Next, similarly, second one. So now I will apply on backward yx. So if I operate yx, so according to the definition here, what is it? It is yx minus y of x minus h. So what is x minus h here? It is nothing but E inverse of yx minus E inverse of yx. So if I take out yx, so this is yx into 1 minus e per minus 1. So what is that we get? Therefore, backward operator is equal to 1 minus e per minus 1. So this is about operator. We have some more relations. We will see.